Have you noticed that, as the years go by, your body doesn't respond the way it used to? Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, even walking longer distances. What once felt easy now demands extra effort. Most people accept this as part of getting older. But what if I told you, it doesn't have to be this way? There's a natural powder, used for centuries by long-living cultures, that can help restore muscle strength, fight fatigue, and protect your body from premature aging. In Eastern traditions, especially among Buddhist monks who often live well beyond 100 with strength, clarity, and peace, food has always been the first and most powerful form of medicine. Today, you're about to discover one of their best-kept secrets. This isn't hype. This isn't a miracle pill. It's a return to what's natural, what's always worked. And in this journey, I'll share with you 5 natural powders that can help you regain the energy, strength, and resilience that time tried to steal. So stay with me until the end, because this could change everything. And if you're truly committed to aging with power and awareness, say it out loud or in the comments. I choose to age with strength and awareness. This intention sets the stage for a new chapter in your life. After age 40, something begins to happen inside the body, quietly, invisibly. It's a condition known as sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass due to aging. It doesn't matter if the scale stays the same, because muscle weighs more than fat. You could be losing muscle, gaining fat, and never notice, until you start feeling it. Groceries feel heavier. Getting up feels harder. Stairs feel longer. Most people think they're just getting old. But really, their body is signaling that it needs help. And without action, this muscle loss accelerates, up to 2% per year after age 50. And with less muscle comes slower metabolism, more fat around your organs, inflammation, and higher risk of disease. But here's the truth monks and long-living cultures understood. Strength is freedom. And through simple, daily habits, they preserved that freedom, well into old age. You can too. So let's begin with the first of 5 powerful natural powders. 1. Turmeric, the golden protector. Also known as the golden powder, turmeric has been revered in Ayurvedic and Buddhist traditions for its deep anti-inflammatory powers. Its magic comes from curcumin, a compound that fights oxidative stress, the internal rusting that wears out your joints, muscles, and energy. With consistent use, turmeric helps reduce joint pain, ease stiffness, and create an internal environment where muscle regeneration can happen naturally. It boosts blood flow, supports the heart, and helps deliver nutrients right to where your body needs them. To get the full benefit, combine half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. This increases absorption by up to 2000%. You can add it to warm drinks, soups, or smoothies. It's easy, natural, and incredibly powerful. 2. Collagen, the silent support. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. It makes up 30% of your body's protein, supporting your muscles, joints, ligaments, and skin. But by age 30, your collagen levels start to drop. By 40, the decline is steep. And without it, muscles weaken, joints hurt, skin sags. Adding collagen peptides to your routine is like handing your body the bricks and mortar it needs to rebuild and strengthen from the inside out. It improves muscle firmness, joint resilience, and even protects your bones. Just 1 scoop a day, in your coffee, juice, or smoothie, can make a noticeable difference over time. Combine it with light resistance exercise, and you have a powerful shield against sarcopenia. 3. Spirulina, nature's green superfood. Spirulina is a blue-green microalgae and one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Packed with high-quality protein, iron, magnesium, antioxidants, and essential vitamins, spirulina nourishes your body on a cellular level. It fights inflammation, supports your immune system, and protects against the damage of aging from the inside out. It's especially effective at helping muscles recover and rebuild, making it perfect for those over 40 looking to regain lost strength. Just half a teaspoon a day in water, juice, or smoothies is enough to start restoring cellular vitality and steady energy. It may not taste great, but the benefits are worth it. 4. Matcha, the monk's elixir. Matcha, the powdered form of green tea, has been a staple among Buddhist monks for centuries. They used it to stay alert and energized during long meditations, without the crash of coffee. Why? Because matcha is packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, that protect your cells, muscles, and brain from aging. Unlike regular tea, you consume the whole leaf, getting 100% of its benefits. It boosts metabolism, aids fat burning, supports heart health, and sharpens your mind. Matcha also contains L-theanine, which promotes calm, focused energy, perfect for staying sharp without feeling jittery. Just half a teaspoon a day is enough. Mix it into water or smoothies. With time, you'll feel clearer, more energetic, and more in tune with your body. 5. Creatine, the strength keeper. Now, let's talk about the most powerful natural powder of all, creatine. It's not just for athletes. Your body makes creatine naturally, and it stores it in your muscles as a quick energy source. But with age, those levels decline. And so does your strength, stamina, and ability to recover. Supplementing with creatine monohydrate restores this natural energy system. It helps you lift heavier, walk farther, recover faster, and protect your brain. Yes, creatine isn't just for muscles. It's been shown to support memory, reduce mental fatigue, and even shield your brain from age-related decline. Take 3 to 5 grams per day. Mix it in water or your morning smoothie. It's flavorless, safe, and incredibly well-researched. And when combined with movement and good nutrition, the results are profound. So let's recap. 5 natural powders, each with a specific mission. Turmeric fights inflammation and supports healing. Collagen rebuilds and protects your body's structure. Spirulina nourishes your cells with deep, ancient nutrition. Matcha brings clarity, calm energy, and inner balance. Creatine restores strength, vitality, and cognitive power. But here's the most important thing to remember. None of these powders are miracles by themselves. They're allies. Powerful, yes, but they depend on the choices you make every day. Eat real, whole foods. Move your body, consistently. Rest. Hydrate. And most importantly, stay consistent. You don't need to become a fitness guru. You don't need to spend hours in a gym. You just need a commitment to your future self. To strength. To freedom. To vitality. So if you're still here listening, know this. You're different. You're ready. You're choosing a new path. Not just to live longer, but to live stronger. Because while aging is inevitable, how you age, that's up to you.